This video tutorial I will explain Amazon Symbol Storage Service, which is also called S3. Amazon S3 is a scalable object storage service provided by Amazon Web Services. It is designed to store and retrieve any amount of data from anywhere on the web. Now we will see the key concepts. First one is buckets. Buckets are containers for storing objects or files. Each object is stored in a bucket. You must create a bucket before you can store data in S3. Each bucket is unique across the entire AWS system. Buckets have unique name and reside in a specific AWS region. Next one is objects. Objects are fundamental entities stored in S3. An object consists of data, metadata, and unique identifier. The data part is the actual content you are storing. For example, documents, images, and videos. Metadata is nothing but information about the object. For example, last modified date, content type, etc. Each object is identified by the key or a name within a bucket. Next one is keys and regions. The key is the unique identifier for an object within a bucket. It is like a file path in a file system. Keys can include slashes to create a directory-like structure. Regions are geographical areas where AWS data centers are located. You can choose a region to store your buckets. Choosing a region close to your users can reduce latency. Now we will see features of Amazon S3, scalability and reliability. S3 automatically scales to handle large amounts of data. You don't need to worry about managing storage infrastructure. S3 is designed for 99.11 of durability, ensuring that your data is highly durable. S3 is also high available, designed for 99.99% availability. Next one is security features. S3 provide multiple security features, including access control policies, encryption, and bucket policies. You can also use AWS Identity and Access Management to control who can access your data. Next one is data management feature. S3 offers various tools for managing your data, like versioning, lifecycle policies, and cross-origin replication. Versioning allows to keep multiple versions of an object, which can help with data recovery. Next one is data transfer and access feature. S3 supports multiple methods for transferring the data, including AWS Management Console, AWS CLI, SDKs, and REST API. You can control access to your data using access control list and bucket policies. Next, we will see the common use cases where we can use Amazon S3. First one is backup and restore. Use S3 to store backup copies of your data. Its durability and availability make it a reliable choice for backups. Next use case is data archiving. S3 Glacier and S3 Glacier Deep Archive offer low-cost storage options for data archiving. Next use case is big data analytics. We can store large data sets in S3, and we can use AWS analytics services like Amazon Athena and Amazon Redshift to analyze the data stored in S3. Next use case is static website hosting. We can host static websites directly from S3 bucket. S3 can serve HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other files. Next use case is content distribution. We can use S3 to store your content, and we can use S3 with Amazon CloudFront, which is nothing but content delivery network, and we can distribute content globally with low latency. Getting started with Amazon S3. First, create an AWS account if you don't have AWS account. Then create a bucket. Go to AWS Management Console, navigate to S3 and create a new bucket. Then upload the objects. Upload files or objects to your newly created bucket using the AWS console, AWS CLI or SDKs. Then set permissions. Configure bucket policies and access control list to control who can access your data. Then access your data. Use AWS Management Console, AWS CLI or APIs to retrieve and manage your data. I have logged into Amazon AWS console. Here search for S3. Click on S3. Here you can see create bucket option. Every object in S3 stored in a bucket. To upload files and folder to S3, you will need to create a bucket where the objects will be stored. Here you can see the pricing detail. With S3, there is no minimum fees. You only pay for what you use. And the prices are based on the location of your S3 bucket. Click on create bucket. Here you have to select the region. And bucket type, I have selected general purpose. Bucket name should be lowercase. Remaining configuration, I am not changing. I leave it as a default. Click on create bucket. Here you can see the bucket is created successfully. Here you can see the bucket. Click on this. Inside the bucket, I'm going to create one folder. Folder name is image. Folder is created successfully. Here you can see. Now I am going to upload one file. Click on add files. Select the file. Here you can see the selected file. Click on upload. And file has been successfully uploaded. Here you can see the uploaded file. Here you can see the file details. Click on buckets. If you want to delete the bucket, select this. Click on delete. But before delete the bucket, it should be empty. Click on empty bucket. Here we have to type permanently delete. Click on empty. The file has been deleted. Click on exit. Select the bucket. Click on delete. Here you have to put the bucket name. Click on delete bucket. And bucket is successfully deleted. Now we will see the conclusion. Amazon S3 is a versatile and powerful storage service that can handle wide range of use cases. Amazon S3's scalability, durability, and extensive feature set make it popular choice for individuals and businesses alike. By understanding the basics of buckets, objects, and keys, you can start leveraging S3 for your storage needs. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.